If you've been worried about your balance, this sequence, this variation on the Tai Chi Walk will help you learn how to shift your weight, how to adjust and balance yourself even on slippery surfaces, walking around in the dark when you can't really see exactly where you're about to step. Being able to transfer and to shift your weight quickly and fluently is super important for your health, your balance, and your well-being. Hope you enjoy. Plant your feet parallel. Soften your knees, hands come forward and back. Li Shao, standing vibration. If your knees allow a gentle bounce through the knees and hips. Finding a nice rhythm here. Comfortable. Spreading peaceful waves from head to toe. All right, slow it down. You're standing still. Soft knees, spine neutral. Feel all that buzzing and tingling, circulating through and through. Bring your hands up, forming an energy ball. Pull and push. Feel that electromagnetic sensation. Almost like two magnets facing off. Feeling that invisible pressure. Now we're going to carry this ball. Shift your weight from left foot to right foot slowly. Shift your weight to your right leg, empty your left. When the foot is totally empty, then you lift it. You step forward and out and into a lunge. Just keep carrying the ball. Shift back, open the toes a little, and shift your weight now to the left, empty the right, and you don't move it until it's totally empty. That allows you to have that control. You sweep kind of a C shape. And you glide. Open the toes, shift your weight, and step. It's like a slow motion walk. When you run out of space, you can just turn and begin again. So you empty one foot completely as you step into the other. That ability to transfer your weight fully gives you a lot of control over your balance. Generally, when we walk, we're using a lot of momentum. We're committing to the step before we really are sure about it. So if you're walking on ice, slippery parking lots, or a slippery deck, or just walking in the dark, this Tai Chi step, Tai Chi walk for some extra balance. You only lift an empty foot. And also when you put the foot down, there's no weight committed until you're ready. Usually when we walk, we commit our weight before we really check the surface, right? this, you practice emptying your foot, putting down an empty foot, and picking up an empty foot. There's no weight on it as it moves. So to make one foot empty requires all the power, all the weight, all the strength to be on the other foot. So you do have to develop a lot of strength to move with this much ease. Practice shifting your weight. We're going to add the hands. So open your hands now, and then you sweep. And like your fingers are connected by strings to your knee, you lift the knee and the hands together. And you push. You shift back, you spread it open. You scoop the fingers and the knees together. Empty. Wave walk, moving your whole body in this wave. The foot that lifts up is totally empty by the time you pick it up, and it's still empty before you decide to put it down. You can stop right there, you can touch it and come right back if you want. Have you ever seen a cat walking in the snow? They just touch without committing any weight to it. That's the level of control we're looking for here. Empty. Fully in control. It could be a very small step. In fact, it should be, if you're new to this or if you're having trouble, very small steps. All right, come on back. Feet parallel, gather, inhale, and exhale. More. Hands overlap at the low belly, soft shoulders. Lower the knees, and bellows breath.